You want to see more sales and signups using attraction marketing. I get this sometimes from my customers who have started attraction marketing as they think, and they're like, oh, I've been doing videos for X amount of days and I haven't had any customers or any signups. So I'm going to help you with that, because attraction marketing is a skill, but it's also a mindset. So that's what we're going to break down in this video. So stay tuned until the end, and I will help you with how to get more sales and more customers and more signups using attraction marketing. My name is Anna Stropnik, and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can create a lifestyle that they love. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to this channel, because on here every single week I share an episode helping you grow your business online, all the latest tricks and tips. Okay, so here we go. Everything that you do is energy. So if you've been building your business like old traditional way on social media, and like really connecting with people just so you can later sell them, or they will hopefully join your business, it's the energy that the other side can feel. So just imagine yourself, you can sense when somebody is like connecting with you just because they want something, they want to sell you something. It's like the questions that they ask, how they're leading you up to where they want to lead you, right? If they're like professional salesperson, do you feel that? You probably do, right? So if you've been prospected, oh, this is why she connected with me, so she can ask me to buy crypto from her or whatever, I'll join her brand new ground floor opportunity. I actually have this girl who's been now sending me like 7-8 messages that I haven't even responded to anymore. I will respond, but basically like to explain to her that she needs to start using attraction marketing and not like chase people. And like I used to be one of those, I'm embarrassed to say when I see some of my messages that are like I wouldn't get a response, but then I would follow up again and follow up again and follow up again, follow up until they're oh my gosh, it's awful. And you're what you're doing is you're like pushing yourself on them, but instead of like pulling them towards you. So you're being annoying. It's the energy. So they don't want to answer. They don't have nothing to tell you. It's a no, right? If they're not responding, it's a no. So anyway, so how what kind of mindset does attraction marketing marketer have that is different than a traditional network marketer? All right. So number one question that they have they have when they first meet you and the first contact is, who are you and what do you want, right? So that's what they're kind of like questioning in their head. Who is this person? What do they want? What are they selling me? Some are going to be very direct with you and they will tell you, what are you trying to sell me? Have you ever had a message like that? I certainly have. Like, what are you trying to sell me? Oh, nothing, But everything is energy and everything is felt. When somebody has like ulterior motives to why they're connecting, you can sense that and they can sense it. Okay, so this is like what attraction marketer mindset is. And you gotta make that mindset shift together with changing your skills, how you operate your business. So number one is service first, sales later. So you're there to serve them first and sales will come later. So your intention when you're connecting with someone, when you're meeting someone, is how you're going to help them versus what are they going to buy from me. Okay, so that is like number one. Number two is friends first, business partners later. So you're making connections, you're making friends, and once they like and trust you, when you're friends with them, they will want to join whatever it is that you're doing because you kind of have influence over them. They trust you. Okay, so who do we buy from? We buy from people who we like, know, and trust. And when you're reaching to someone on social media for the first time, do they know you? They don't know you. Do they trust you? Not yet. And do they Do they like you? Well, they just met you, so no, not yet. All right. So how you build, number one is how to build trust from day one is by not pitching them. Don't make that connection to pitch them. Not in the first message, not in the second day or whatever. Don't do that. Make a connection to make a connection. Make a connection to make friend. Make a connection to see how you can help them. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is, what is the fastest way to build all three? So somebody likes you, trusts you, and knows you. That's by doing videos. When you see somebody on a video, it's so different than any other content that they post. It takes so much longer for them to build trust, likability, and know factor with you if they're not on a video. Because when you meet someone, I've met some of my trainers, some of my mentors, and when I meet them, because I've seen them on video so much, I feel like I already know them. Even with my upline, who is in the UK, I've met her in Vegas, and after a year of being in her downline, and I'm like, nice to meet you, and she's like, oh, that's right, we've never really met. It's crazy, right? But because through video and through Zoom chats and everything, you feel like you know somebody already. So by doing videos, definitely, you gotta be doing videos, live videos, where they hear your voice, where they hear all of your imperfections and your perfections. So definitely do videos. Okay. And number three, you want to pull them and not push them away. So with your content, with everything that you do, you kind of want to be attracting them versus pushing them away. And how you're going to push away really fast is by pitching them, right? So we don't do that. As attraction marketing, we don't do that. Some people wait for us. Okay, where is this girl is connecting me out of the bloom? What does she want, right? Who is she? What does she want? And then you don't. But then they see you and then they become curious. So how come? Maybe she forgot me. But then they start looking at your content, and then they see, you're just going to go there and say happy birthday to them. You're going to be, seeing their posts, commenting on their posts, but you're not going to pitch. How you actually pitch and how you sell as attraction marketing is through your content, through building that influence, through providing value, and then having that call to action where they actually reach out to you for more information. So that's how you're going to do it. So mindset is how I can help them, what kind of value I can provide to them. Okay, and sales will come, I promise you. So if you'd like to know more about attraction marketing, if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to that free bootcamp that I have, Attraction Marketing Bootcamp. It's a 10-day bootcamp where you will learn from A to Z how to become attraction marketing, as far as the mindset and the skills that are needed for that, so you can grow your business faster, more effectively, and more fun. My question for you this week is, do you buy from someone who you just met, or especially when it comes to online sales, or do you buy somebody who you've been following for quite some time? I would love to know. Drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like if you got value, and I will see you on the next video.